So, andito tayo ngayon sa Avida Towers Altura, Tower 2, to check this new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, dito tayo ngayon sa 9th floor. Let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit, around 35 square meters. Or 34.81 square meters to be exact. 1 bedroom and bathroom. So ito po yung bathroom niya. As you can see, medyo spacious and may area siya for laundry. And this is the bedroom. Ayan. This is around 5.3 million. And as you can see, meron po siyang view ng Laguna de Bay. Ayun. Then ito yung kitchen niya. The unit is actually in good condition. It looks like nobody has lived here because wala pong markings yung wall niya. And then mayroon pa tayong pa-welcome note sa developer. And then yung sink niya, ayan. Malinis pa rin. Then may aircon provision dito. So one good thing about this unit, yung view niya po, ayan. Papansin niyo meron siyang view ng Laguna de Bay. And it's morning sun. So this is available in cash or at least 5% down payment. And then 95% balance, bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees, or pwede rin 100% in cash. So for as low as 5% down payment, pwede na po tayo maka-move in, plus taxes and fees. So again, if we are interested to make a bid and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. And another good thing about this unit, meron po siyang kasamang parking space. Okay? So again, if you are interested to make a bid, please message us directly. Ilan ang swimming pool niya, kuya? Ito lang? Tsaka yun. Wow. Ano yung meron dito? Parks and playground?
Outdoor na gym.
May indoor gym din? Saan yung gym niya? Doon sa kabila. So meron siyang outdoor gym. Oo, ayaw ng araw pala. Ito yung adult pool niya, no? Kiddie pool and playground. Kuya, ano yung ginagawang building na yon? Avida rin yan? Tower 3? Ah, okay. So yun yung indoor gym niya.